The card instantly vanishes. The magician takes a card, and it instantly changes. The card is pulled from thin air. The magician waves his hand over the deck and instantly changes. The card instantly vanishes. So the hand positioning for this one to start is where you have the middle and ring finger in the middle with the pinky and pointer finger extended, and grip the card with your thumb and your middle and ring finger, and then just flip the card around to the back of your hand and hold it between your pointer and middle finger and your ring and pinky finger. The magician takes a card, and it instantly changes. The card that you change from the top is second from top. So how you do that is, as you're rubbing the card, you push it forward, and then as you pull back, you grab the one that's second from top and pull it behind that card, and then push it over, and then square up the deck, all under the cover of your hand. So to recap, push forward, pull back, square up. Again, all under the cover of your hand. This will take some practice, but eventually you'll get results like this. The magician waves his hand over the deck and instantly changes. So to do this one, you take your pinky and then you drag it along the side and then square it up with the bottom, all under the cover of your hand. This one is really angle sensitive, so you will need to practice a lot to get it right and to not flash the card. But again, just pull it with your pinky, square it, and just practice a lot in front of a mirror, and eventually you'll get it down to where you can hold it under the cover of your hand really easily, like this. The card is pulled from thin air. To produce the card, you have it in the same grip as the card is when it's vanished, which is called backhand palm, and then you peel it around to the front where you grab it with your thumb and hold your 4 other fingers in a more natural positioning of holding the card, as I show in the video.